because his team wasn't working that weekend, there wasn't a handover to another team, and the infection just got out of control, and he died. And that mother worked tirelessly for years to get answers. Now, we only dealt with a particular small part of the complaint, but we were able to get some answers for her, and her resolution and the way that she, if anybody can cope with the death of a child, and certainly in those circumstances, the hospital developed a protocol for dealing with that handover, and they presented it to her, and that protocol is now in place in every hospital in the state, and that to her was the legacy of her son's death. And she just wanted to know why and how. And at the heart of so many complaints, even simple ones, but why didn't I get my medical card, or I'm trying for this benefit and I can't get anybody to talk to, it is communication. The state seeing these people as other, as a problem, and not as living, human, breathing human beings to be dealt with on that level.
Just very briefly, are you campaigning to have the FOI, Freedom of Information, returned to where it was, so to speak?
Yes, and I think it will be. Actually, it's very interesting to see what will happen. There has been a lot of, certainly the government is moving ahead with legislation. There's been a